QuickBooks POS is being phased out. Instead, go to Shopify POS. If you operate a business and use QuickBooks POS, you may have heard that QuickBooks is retiring its point of sale system. While this is unfortunate news, there is a silver lining. Shopify, one of the major e-commerce platforms, has a top-notch POS system that can easily replace QuickBooks point of sale. In this video, we'll go through some of the important features of Shopify POS and why switching is a smart option. Ease of use. One of the best aspects about Shopify point of sale is its simplicity. The UI is simple and easy, so you'll be able to start using it right away with no problems. Furthermore, Shopify provides outstanding customer assistance in the event that you encounter any issues. Click the link below to speak with an expert about if switching is the best option for you. Shopify POS includes all of the functionality you need to run your business successfully, such as inventory management, order monitoring, and reporting. Perhaps most importantly, Shopify effortlessly interacts with the rest of the Shopify platform. So if you're currently using Shopify for e-commerce, making the transition top the pinpoint of sale will be simple. Affordable price. Shopify's pricing levels are incredibly inexpensive, especially when you consider all of the features that are available. You may try out the system for free for 14 days before committing to one of Shopify's monthly subscriptions. Switching from QuickBooks POS to Shopify point of sale is a no-brainer, so why wait? QuickBooks POS is being phased out, but don't fear, Shopify's feature-rich and simple-to-use point-of-sale system has you covered. Switching is a smart decision for any shop owner searching for a dependable and cost-effective solution. So what are you holding out for? Try Shopify POS right now. To speak with an expert one-on-one, click the link below.